Hi everybody, I wanted to make a video with instructions on how we are going to complete week 3's assignment. So you're going to go to your class home screen, go to your classwork, and you're going to find your week 3 assignment here. So you're going to go to view assignment, and then you're going to work all week like you did last week with this Google slide right here. Okay, so you're going to open up your Google slide and you can work directly in here for your Google slide. Okay, so in this Google slide, first thing you'll see is the instruction page. We'll have the link to this video so that you can have access to the instructions. And then if you still don't understand after the video, your teachers have office hours here that they can video conference and we can actually show you our screen and try to help you work through it. Okay, so first assignment here is on the second slide. So what you're going to do is you're going to be creating a Google form. So attached here is the Google form. So you click on there and then it's going to ask you for some information. So you're going to type in your first and last name. You're going to type in or mark which one is your teacher and which class period you're in. Okay, then you're going to click next. When you click next, it's going to bring up the video. So you'll watch the video. When you're done with that, you click next, and then it'll ask you some questions. I'm just going to click answers. Don't copy mine. I'm just going through it quickly to show you an example. Okay. Because it won't let me go forward unless I click all the questions. So we're going to click all the answers. We're going to come down to the bottom. We're going to hit the button that says submit. Okay, once you see this screen, it means that you have done and you've submitted your answers for assignment number 1. So then you can go back and you're not completely finished for the week, but you're finished with day 1. So then assignment number 2 is the exact same way as assignment number 1. Here's your Google form. Okay, you have the link here. You click on the link, it opens up. You do the same thing. You go through and it asks you to answer some questions. Complete that and submit it. Now, assignment number 3 is a little different. So we wanted to make sure that you understood what you were doing. So in assignment number 3, what you're going to do is you are going to do a gallery walk. We've done a lot of those in class. So it's the same idea. So it'll have a slide with a picture. It'll have the reading part that you're going to read where you're going to get the information. And then the next slide is going to be, these are your notes that you're going to take. And down here at the bottom, you have your word bank. Okay, so if you want them to read the slide to you, you see this purple puzzle piece up here? This is called Read Write. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this and it will actually play. Complete the Google form. It'll actually play. Okay, and so you can actually have it read to you, and then you go in and you answer the slide blanks using this word bank. Okay, so it says in the Missouri Compromise, Henry Clay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight Henry Clay. I'm going to edit, copy, click on right here, go back up here, and paste. And then he's entered in for my assignment. Okay, proposed adding blank as a slave state. So he wanted Missouri to be added as a slave state. Edit, copy. Okay, and Maine as a free state. The blank as the line designated the north. Okay, so this is the 3630. Those are coordinates. Copy and paste, okay, it designated the north as the north were the free states, and the south, oops, I forgot that, and the south as the slave states. Okay. Okay, and this settled the matter of what states were free and which were slave for 30 years. Okay, so then I'm finished taking my notes for the Missouri Compromise. Okay, then you go on and you go through each of the other slides and you fill in your notes using your word bank. Okay, and this assignment's a little bit longer than some of the other ones. So this is designated for 2 days. So it may take you a little longer. You may want to come back to it the next day if you get tired or whatever, and you can, just like in class, sometimes our gallery walks would take 2 days. Okay, so we go through, we do that for the rest of them. Make sure that you're filling in your notes. Okay, then we get down here to the bottom, and it'll be your last assignment right here, assignment number 4, and this is going to be your assessment for the week. Okay, so you click here. It's just like assignment 1 and 2. You're going to click here. It's going to pull up a Google form. Okay, you're going to take them the same way, answering all the questions and coming down and hitting the submit button. Okay, once you've submitted that, it sends it to me so I can look at it. Okay, so once we've done all that, I filled in all my notes, I completed all my Google Forms. What I'm going to do is then go back. So I can X out of the PowerPoint right here, and I'm going to go back to my assignment. So everything that you've added to these slides is right here on this PowerPoint. So all you have to do at the end of the week, when you've done all 4 assignments, you're going to turn it in right here. You push the turn in button, and it's going to ask you, do you want to turn it in? And this is the attachment. So you've worked on this all week long, and it'll send it right to me. You do not have to email it to me. So once you turn this in, I can go in and I can look at all the work that you completed. Okay, so that is how we're going to do week number 3. Don't forget that if you have questions, let me know or visit those office hours, and I will be sure to help you with whatever you need. Okay, and remember, we miss you very much, and we will be in touch this week. Have a good week, guys.